और नाजरीन अभी आपको बराह रास्त से चलेंगे जहां इस वक्त डोनाल्ड ट्रंप वोट कास्ट करने के बाद इस वक्त मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं।
Confident I have felt. You know, we went in with a very big lead today, and it looks like Republicans have shown up in force. So we'll see how it turns out. But it seems that they have really shown up in force. I just got a call from Dan Patrick in Texas. He said they've never seen anything like it. It's been very good.
Looking back, is there anything you would do differently about your campaign? Anything you regret about hearing this thing?
Look, regrets. You always have regrets. I can't think of any, to be honest. To use her expression, I can't think of any. Look, I ran a great campaign. I think it was maybe the best of the three. We did great in the first one. We did much better in the second one, but something happened. And this was the best. I would say this was the best campaign we ran.
President Trump, do you accept the possibility that you and Vice President Harris both might not get to 270 electoral votes by the end of tonight?
It should never happen. A thing like that should never happen. This election should be over. They spend all this money on machines. And frankly, if they'd use paper ballots, it would be over by 10 o'clock. And by the way, the paper ballots would cost 8%. It would be 8% of the cost. If they would use paper ballots, voter ID, proof of citizenship, and one-day voting, it would all be over by 10 o'clock in the evening. It's crazy. They use these very expensive computers, and I'm hearing in Pennsylvania.
नाजरीन, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने वोट कास्ट किया है, इसके बाद मीडिया से गुफ्तगू भी की है। दुनिया की नजरें अमेरिका में जारी सदारती इंतखाबात पर हैं। डोनाल्ड ट्रंप और कैमला हैरिस के दरमियान मुकाबला इस वक्त कांटे का है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।